This is my final project for CS50. This is a course registration system done in Flask. My name is Alan Tureen, and I'm from Buffalo, New York. Okay, so first of all, let me go through some of the designs. So what I've done is I created a database backend for this particular website. So I know this is kind of detailed, but here's the SQL code that I use to generate the tables. And essentially what I did was I made 5 tables, so students, courses, and then each course has an instructor and a department that it belongs to. But I realized that the students and courses tables, they've got a many-to-many relationship. So I had to put in the students _ courses join table in order to join the two tables together. Okay, so let me go to the website. It's deployed on Heroku. So it's pretty simple. Let me just log in. Okay, so we've got one table here that describes the registered courses for Harry Potter, and obviously everything's empty, so sections 1 to 6. And then below that, we've got some course listings. So I've got 6 departments: math, science, humanities, languages, English, and art. So essentially what I want to do is sign up for a course. So I think Transfiguration with Rubius Hagrid looks pretty good. That's section 1. So I'm going to go up and click on the Register tab. This brings up the section numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and select section 1. Click Select. Okay, so for section 1, I've got 3 courses to choose from, so I'm going to go ahead and select on Transfiguration. I'm going to look at the course description, and I can see that here's a description of the course, and it has 0 enrollment so far. So I like this course. I'm going to go ahead and register for it, so I'm going to click on Register Course, and then it gives me this success page. So I'm going to return to my schedule. And I can see that Harry Potter did register for Transfiguration. You can see that the enrollment did increment to 1. Okay, so I'm going to register for another one. I think I'll do the section 6. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Go ahead and section 6. So let me just pick one. Arithmancy looks pretty good. Register for the course. And I can see that arithmancy also has incremented by 1. I've got arithmancy here. So that's the registered part, but let me go ahead and drop a course. Let me drop Transfiguration, so I just click on Drop. Okay, and I go to the Transfiguration. I select it from the drop-down list, select Course, and it gives me Confirm. So I'm going to hit Confirm, and then I go back to the schedule, and I see that Transfiguration has been dropped. So I see that this is empty, and that Transfiguration now decrements to 0 enrollment. So let me go ahead and log out. And this concludes my CS50 final project. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.